Hey guys, it's me again, Chris, your real estate problem solver with Keller Williams. On this HUD house that we're working on, we're getting ready to go to closing here soon, and we've already done all of our inspections. But I wanted to show you one other thing that we found and how we evaluated it. Over here, we've got the air conditioning unit, and if you'll notice, the line has been pulled out. Now, what's happened here? If I can show it to you, right about here. Yep. This is where some of the local neighborhood kids decided that they wanted to get their hands on some of the copper and go sell the copper. Well, they weren't very motivated because they got a pinch point, the freon spewed out, and they never went any further with it. So the line's still here. Everything's still here. But the problem is they put a hole in the line, so the freon's leaked out. Well, when the freon leaks out, this is out in the sun, it gets cold, hot, it's eventually going to bleed itself completely down and start sucking in moisture, sucking in air, and that's not good for the system. So what we did was we had our AC guy come out, and he did a full visual inspection on the air handler upstairs in the main house, and he did a full inspection on this part down here. We did the electrical parts, power's going to everything, and everything looks good. You have to forgive the crop duster. We're out in the rural areas, and crop dusters come over every once in a while. But anyway, the AC guy looked it over everything, and we actually told him to give us 3 quotes. One just for changing the line, one for replacing the air handler upstairs, because that's the one that we had a panel open on it when we got here, so we don't know if somebody left it open because it was trashed or because they just being lazy or what. And then of course the third option of replacing the entire unit. Well, 2 different contractors looked at this and they both said it looks okay, but they're worried about the lines being contaminated. So they did offer one of them offered they can do a flush. They're going to replace the copper line, put good copper line on here. They're going to pull a vacuum, which is what they do when they install a new air conditioning unit. And then they're going to flush it with a cleanser and hopefully get it decontaminated, put Freon in it, and we'll run it and see how it works. That being somewhere around $1,000 is a whole lot cheaper than replacing the entire unit that can run $7,500 to $8,000. So we're going to start with that and see how it goes. The difference in prices, it's well worth going the cheap route first and seeing if it works. If it does, great. If not, well, then the buyer just have to pay for the $8,000 job. So look around for stuff like this. Ask a lot of questions. If you need help, give me a call, 478-256-9877. I'm Chris, your real estate problem solver, and I'll talk to you on the next one.